like a bunch of these collector kits.
One that is
Completely
still closed, still sealed.
And then 2 are that are open.
This one that you're on right now, and one that's already sorted.
I don't know if I was just supposed to rip it open like that. Beanie Baby corn. Eat the beanie corn. Okay. It's just made of plastic.
The coin, it's metal.
I remember when at kindergarten, every day I take home one of those plastic smiley face coins.
Oh yeah, I remember those.
I had a collection. I don't know where they are now, but
Maybe in your toy box.
no one knows. Beanie coins, what beanie will you get? Wait, on the other side, is there like a secret Beanie Baby or something? Yes, okay, I got it. We got one of the original 9. Kid.
Squealer.
Yes.
There's Squealer right there.
You're famous. What is this setup here?
I'm working on gathering the original 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.